Hello friends, welcome to Keva Education Show and I'm your host Ashish Kulshrestha. Today we are going to discuss a unique product of Keva Industries.
Coenzyme Q10 is a substance that found naturally in the body and help convert food into energy. Coenzyme Q10 is found in almost every cell in the body and it is a powerful antioxidant. Coenzyme Q10 is an important vitamin-like substance required for the proper function of the many organs and chemical reactions in the body. It helps provide energy to cells. Coenzyme Q10 also seems to have an antioxidant activity. People with certain diseases such as heart failure, high blood pressure, gum diseases, Parkinson disease, blood infection, certain diseases of muscle and HIV infection might have been lower because of coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 can neutralize free radicals and prevent from number of health problems including heart disease and cancer. Coenzyme Q10 also act as a cofactor for enzyme within the mitochondria of generating energy with cells. Coenzyme Q10 is needed for basic cell functions. Coenzyme Q10 in the body can be increased by taking coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 may help with heart-related conditions. Recent scientific research suggests that coenzyme Q10 may help with heart-related condition because it can improve energy production in cells. Keva coenzyme Q10 drops contains coenzyme Q10 as its main ingredient. Its primary function is to help with the conversion of food and oxygen into energy. It's also act as a powerful antioxidant. Keva coenzyme Q10 is an ideal nutrient for healthy cardiovascular function and also supports cellular energy production. Keva coenzyme Q10 may prevent from congestive heart failures, can help in regulating high blood pressures, can reduce high blood cholesterol levels, can help in chest pain caused by exercise. Keva coenzyme Q10 also improves the cell function related to boosting the immunity system, help the body to resist or fight disease and infections. Keva coenzyme Q10 also boost the energy and speed recovery from exercise, can help in chronic fatigue syndrome, can also reduces weakness, fatigue and stress. Coenzyme Q10 can help in several brain conditions, can even slow down the process of Alzheimer's, can stimulate the nervous system, can enhance memory and concentration, may also increase the activity of neurotransmitters in the brain. Keva coenzyme Q10 may help in prevent from migraine and headaches. It can also help to reduce cancer, fatigues and other chemotherapy side effects. May also helpful in asthma, diabetes, breast cancer. Keva coenzyme Q10 is halal kosher certified, produced under GMP guidelines. It is very easy to use Keva coenzyme Q10. Take only 10 drops morning and evening on an empty stomach or half an hour before meal. Continue for 6 to 12 months for better results.
Let me remind you once again, please contact the person who sent you this video and I promise you to meet again with a wonderful product of Keva Industries. So till then, goodbye and Jai Hind.